In the backdrop of tensions at the line of actual control, Indian Army said that Indian and Chinese officials continue to remain engaged through the established military and diplomatic channels to address the current situation in the border areas. The Army statement came as Lieutenant General Harinder Singh met his Chinese counterpart at the Chushul-Moldo border meeting point this afternoon. Officials cautioned against expectations of any immediate resolution, saying the Saturday meeting could be the first of several. Air India said it would offer more seats on its flights under the third phase of the centre's Vande Bharat mission. The announcement came a day after the national carrier opened bookings for 300 flights from select destinations including the US and the UK between June 10th and July 1st. The airline said it experienced 6 to 7 times more activity on its website and over 22,000 seats were sold. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister said that social media projects Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as a prominent national leader, but he does not take her seriously. He said, "We have already named her Priyanka Twitter Vadra. She only tweets for 2 to 3 days and keeps the media busy." He downplayed Priyanka's impact in state politics, saying she could not even ensure the victory of her brother Rahul Gandhi from Amethi in the 2019 parliamentary elections. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal warned hospitals who were, according to him, involved in the black marketing of beds. He said no patient should be turned away if beds are available. He warned of action against these establishments. His reaction came in response to outrage on social media over patients being turned away by hospitals on a day the capital crossed the 26,000 mark in the number of infections. World Health Organization Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that the COVID-19 pandemic could be an opportunity for India to speed up the health insurance scheme Ayushman Bharat, especially with a focus on primary healthcare. Ghebreyesus was responding to a question on the COVID-19 situation in India, where the number of coronavirus cases are increasing rapidly. India went past Italy on Friday to become the 6th worst hit nation by the COVID-19 pandemic. United States President Donald Trump said India and China would have higher coronavirus cases than the US if they conducted more tests. Trump said the US had tested over 20 million samples for the disease so far. The US is the worst hit by the pandemic in terms of both deaths and infections. India, meanwhile, has overtaken Italy's tally to be the 6th worst hit country. The Washington, D.C. mayor has changed the name of a plaza outside the White House to Black Lives Matter Plaza in a rebuke to U.S. President Trump. Mayor Muriel Bowser, a Democrat, also unveiled a 2-block-long mural painted onto the street leading up to the White House declaring Black Lives Matter. She also demanded that the president remove federal soldiers from Washington.